Hello, now look at the left on the chat of zoom out with Midjourney to one scene animation. First we need to resize on picture as same size. Wait. Okay, as I made it. What time did it? 80. Then we need to jump to After Effects and drag this. Wait. This size, and then we need to put this one picture and this picture in a new compositing. Then we need to add an object from here or as a shortcut. Then I need to Vector 3D basic. Then we need to add a search by name like this, and then we need to align with all objects. Then we need to go to the transform or B and make keyframe. Then we need to zoom out as I think like this. Have this frame. Okay, and then here we need to focus this. We need to link this to with 1 and 3 with 2 and 4 with 5 with 3 with 3 and 5 with 4, then 6 with 5 and 7 with 6 like this. And then we need to go to scale and make it 200, then 300, 4, okay, 200, like this, and 5, go, 206, 207, set, like this. Okay, I wanna log zoom out, so get it like this. Okay, zoom out. Before that's enough. And here we noticed that we have some edge of picture. With that, we need to crop a little bit of corner. With this, we need to go to first picture to crop it a little like this. I will chase the sun, then here in next once here you start and have only somebody click. Okay, let's say game button familiar. Okay, plus. Okay, let me click. Just go to listen. Okay, now we click here and that's it. That's all. That's all. We in advance to say this. Okay. Okay, that's all. Thank you.